Forecasting is a prelude to planning. Before you make a plan, an estimate must be made on what conditions will exist over some future periods. Most companies cannot wait until orders are actually received before they start to plan what to buy and produce. Let's take a look at the demand forecast per item report. This report is found in Inventory Management under Reports, and then Forecast, and then Demand Forecast, and then Demand Forecast per item. When you open this report, you can select which inventory dimensions should be displayed. For my example, I'll display the site and warehouse. You can use the Select button to filter for specific items, demand forecast models, customers, and so on. For my example, I'm just going to run the report wide open and click OK. Here, when the report runs, you can see the details by item. The report will group the information by each item that exists for the criteria that you've entered. You can see for Site 1, Warehouse 13, in the current F model, on each of the dates specified, what the quantity forecasted, unit price, if any sales charges, and the extended amount. So, over the course of 2013, 4,318,000 have been forecasted for this particular item. Next, let's discuss the sales order analysis reports. Sales analysis of historic transactions is also a part of the forecasting process. These reports are used, for example, when you determine inventory levels for a new item. By creating sales order analysis reports for similar items or customer types, forecasts can make informed decisions about the sales potential of a new item. Therefore, it creates a more accurate forecast. AX provides 7 sales analysis reports used for sales trend analysis and forecasting in the sales and marketing area. You can find these reports underneath Sales and Marketing, Reports, Statistics, and then Customer. Here are some of the sales analysis reports. You can usually tell by its title what the report is for. The first one is the top 100 customer rankings by revenue, margin, or quantity, gross margin by customer, and gross margin by item. Next, let's talk a little bit about purchase order analysis reports. Purchase order analysis reports are also available for purchasing trends analysis in forecasting and in the accounts payable module of AX. These are used, for example, when you want to determine purchasing levels for a new item. By creating purchase order analysis reports for similar items, forecasters can make informed decisions about the inventory requirements of a new item. Therefore, it creates a more accurate forecast. You find the purchase order analysis reports in Procurement and Sourcing, Reports, Statistics, and then Vendor. Some of the reports are Top 100 Vendor, Item Vendor Statistics, and Purchases in Past Periods. Be sure to join me in the module review to summarize what we've learned in this chapter.